Meaning of demijohn.
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 Demijohn. A demijohn is a type of glass vessel used for storing and transporting liquids, particularly alcoholic beverages. It typically has a bulbous body with a long neck, and may be enclosed in wicker or other protective material. The term demijohn is believed to have originated from the French word Dame Jeanne, meaning Lady Jane, which was a popular name for the vessel in France during the 17th century. Demijohns are still used today by some home brewers and winemakers, and are also popular as decorative objects.